Samsung Galaxy A51. The color is black with the rainbow effects, and I really like this phone because it's so slim, and at the same time I like how the back looks like. So this is my lock screen. I got my lock screen wallpaper from Pinterest. So this is my home screen. I also got my wallpaper from Pinterest. So these are the apps that I use most of the time. So I have here a Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, YouTube, YT Studio, and Lightroom. If you have time, you can follow me on my Instagram account. So this is my Instagram, 𝚎𝚎𝚝'𝚜. So follow me and I follow you back. All the things that I need. To the next folder, I have here all my editing apps. I have InShot to edit my vlogs. Then KineMaster, StoryCheat, Photo, VN, CapCut, Intro Maker, and Logo Maker. the next folder, I also have here all my editing apps for my thumbnail. So I have here Pinterest. I get all my wallpaper here and background for my thumbnail. And then PicsArt, where I edit my pictures and thumbnail. So you can follow me also on my PicsArt. today, and I hope you like this video and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our